Hi, everybody. You are going to be so glad you hit that button to find out more information about...
About what?
About what?
About what?
About what? Our Senior Care Conference.
All right.
Part 1 of 3.
Part 1 of 3, the Caring for the Caregiver Senior Care Conference. It's when? It's
March 30th, which is a Saturday, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
And the reason why we did that is because we want you to join us. And you
Yes.
as the person that is caring for their loved one. You may not even be at that point yet. They may be perfectly healthy, but you might just be proactive. You know,
Right.
about looking into the future. Hey, what's going to happen with me and my wife? What services, what should we be aware of as we go through this process? You may be caring for your spouse, your loved one, or an adult parent, you know, or your neighbor. You may have someone in your life that you are a caregiver for.
Exactly.
And you are the perfect person to attend this group.
And you might be somebody might have the beginning stages of memory loss
Exactly.
and different symptoms.
And you might be like, what do I do?
Where do I go?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, well, we're here to help you guide the way to that.
Exactly.
To find out what you need.
And what we did is we had created this guide, and so this conference is really like a live version of our senior care guide. You
Right.
know? So we did,
Just what he said.
so tell us. So what are we actually covering at this event?
Okay, so for our first part series, March 30th, it's called Caring for the Caregiver. And we have these so nicely made flyers. And what we're going to be discussing is signs of possible dementia, how to handle Alzheimer's disease, the progression of Parkinson's disease, benefits of a caregiver support group. That is really,
Huge.
a lot of people
Yeah,
don't
absolutely.
even know they're
Right.
out there.
And it's so important to
Yes.
get help and have people that are like-minded, going through the same thing.
Absolutely, because you're not alone. You're
Absolutely.
so not
Right.
alone. The guide to caregiving
Yep.
and local physicians, questions and answers, plus medical nutrition therapy. And we are going to have the Alzheimer's Memory Mobile here as well.
Sweet. What is
And-
that?
Well, actually, what they're going to be doing
Lifesaver.
is they were going to have some educational information on the mobile that day.
Okay.
So, nobody's going to leave here without learning something, I'll tell you that.
Yeah,
or answers to questions.
Right.
And a complimentary lunch is going to be included.
Right.
So what we're doing with this is we actually reached out to people in our community who are great representatives.
And honestly, this speaker lineup for this conference is
It's
awesome.
fine.
I mean, seriously, like I'm
Woo!
so you have to come to this event.
You
Like
do.
if you're like, look, that's not for me. Like my wife's fine. Like we're good. Like you seriously need to get to this event because these speakers are going to be. They get great information. I mean,
Exactly. It doesn't mean you could be like, well, I don't have anybody at home I'm taking care of like this, but I've seen signs, or even educating yourself so you can share it with
Right,
others.
exactly.
And that's what we try to
Yeah.
do, or we are doing, not even try.
Because you might have friends that are going through this, or you might have friends
Yeah.
up north that are going through this, and you may
Yeah.
not actually be going through it
Or a
yourself.
coworker,
Right,
somebody
someone,
who's, a lot of people don't want to get involved.
Exactly.
They see it from afar. Well, you know what? You can really be helping somebody, and
Absolutely.
everybody is welcome. Some of our lineup is amazing. We have Dr. Ruano from Millennium Physicians Group.
Yep.
We have
Highly respected doctor in town.
Oh, yes, amazing. And then we also have 2 neurologists who will be here speaking as well from Millennium, Dr. Evans and Dr. Nazar.
Yep. And aren't they married?
They are married,
Okay.
and they're going to be speaking together.
That's
And
awesome.
these are just people supporting the
And you
community.
can tell they care. I mean, their office is really passionate about this
Oh,
event.
their
Like,
office
they're-
has been amazing,
Yeah, it's
setting
awesome.
up their schedule for them to take the time on a Saturday
Right.
to be here.
Yeah.
It's
we really want to serve you guys. It's important that we
Exactly.
we want to make sure that this event has all the information, all the tools that you're going to need, so you can go out there and help make better decisions, and you feel like you're informed.
These are people who are not being paid to speak here.
Right.
They're taking their time
Yeah.
off to come here to help educate and answer any kind
Absolutely.
of questions. We also have Carisa Campanella. She is actually a Parkinson's expert with the Neuro Challenge.
Neuro challenge. Yep.
Neuro,
Yep.
that's my accent kicking in. Okay.
But the Jersey girl
The
accent.
Jersey's coming in.
Yeah.
And we have Amy Schenk from the Alzheimer's Association.
Right.
And we also have Christiana Harrington, and she's a registered dietitian talking about diet.
It's amazing. Even myself, like, I didn't realize how much diet and not like being on a diet, but like actually just eating what I'm eating, being being conscious of different foods and stuff like that. I used to get migraine headaches all the time, and it wasn't until I learned a little bit more about nutrition that I realized how much of an impact that nutrition has on the body, as a whole.
But
So
there's sorry, we always interrupt each other. But I do an Alzheimer's support group, and some of the biggest questions are proper diet for people who have either the beginning or later stages of dementia of some type. And that's what she's going to talk about. She's not just going to be talking about, oh, you need to eat this or that or blah, blah. It's all going to be related to what you might be going through or your loved one.
And she's going to try to cater that to the needs of the group that are here that day.
Correct. So. And we also have Tammy Wilkie. She's the outreach coordinator for the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Always so amazing in the community, the way our Sheriff's Office actually shows their support.
Absolutely.
And they have what's called Project Lifesaver. And I'm not going to explain it too much, but it is something that can be purchased, or actually there is sponsorships even for a bracelet for anybody who might be a Wanda risk.
Awesome. So I mean, seriously, awesome lineup. I mean, this is
so
going to be a great
excited.
Event. This is going to be fantastic, and it's awesome. It really is cool. So Saturday, March 30th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., right here at our
at Chelsea Place,
Senior
Care and Activity Center, and the address is 3626 Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte. We are looking for RSVPs, please, because we do have the capacity for a certain amount of people.
Yep.
Not too small.
We just want to make sure that we have enough. We have enough food for you guys. We got to plan accordingly and stuff like that, because we're gonna provide lunch that day. We're gonna provide the meal
complimentary
that day.
Lunch.
Absolutely.
We want them to be comfortable. We want this as a comfortable atmosphere.
Right. Exactly. So we can that way we can you guys have time to even talk with one another. And develop some rapport, because it's important to like walk through this process with other people that are going through something similar.
Exactly. So. And you can call me directly. I'm Amy Conti, and my cell phone number is 941-787-0687. I'm at the point where the whole town is going to know my phone number, but I am a senior resource specialist, so I am here to answer any questions or lead you in the right direction as well, even if you're not attending the show.
Right. So if you have questions,
this is the show. This is the show on TV.
No. Amy Conti show.
We just have a really big passion for helping people, and there's never a charge, and we direct you to the people that you need to be directed to, or the people we're referring to. So all we have a very big passion at Chelsea Place, and I say passion a lot because it's right from the heart. Is we want to help people out there, because so many people do not know where to turn.
And everyone literally on this entire list here, they all want to help people. So do us a favor, tell your friends. If you know someone that can benefit from this information.
Sorry, I gotta put this up there while Chris is talking.
The dementia versus Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, support groups, medical nutrition therapy. How does UTIs affect the brain? All these things. If you want to know, just being proactive about caring for the caregiver. What do I do next? What should I be thinking about? What should I be proactively searching for? If you have those questions, you need to be at this event. It's a great speaker lineup. We're so excited to be able to put this on.
Very excited.
And so give us a call.
And
RSVP.
Wait, I'm interrupting him because this is what we do. This is also being brought to you by Senior Blue Book University.
Absolutely, yes.
As well. They're a very large supporter of ours. And we just want to one more time tell you, it's Chelsea Place, Senior Care and Activity Center, 3626 Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte. And you can RSVP, please, directly to me at 941-787-0687. It's killing him not to be able to talk right now, as me, because we're very verbal and passionate.
We just
trying to put it all out there.
We care about you guys.
We care very much.
We just want to make sure that you guys find the right resources.
You're never alone.
So we're gonna help direct you in the right place. Seniors Blue Book will give you a directory of all the information that is out there. We're gonna help you find how and which information you need and is appropriate for you guys. They'll help you get the phone numbers too, and we'll do it together. It's a joint effort. So.
And this is the first part of 3 series. should I tell them what date it is? Do you remember?
So let's make them come.
Oh yeah, you have to come and find out because we're gonna have 2 other dates. Same thing on a Saturday because we know there's a lot of families where they work during the day.
Exactly.
And they can't come to these things.
Right.
That's why we're taking our time.
Yep.
And we're gonna be here on Saturday.
So let's
Our time for you.
Maybe let's put it this way: it's caring for the caregiver. This time, the next one will be more about organizing your legal affairs.
You can never keep a secret.
Making a financial plan, and then our third conference is going to be about finding the right care. How do you choose the right provider?
Exactly.
So we just at least you have an idea of what's coming up. But this one specifically, just the proactive steps. So give us a call, RSVP. Come on out Saturday, March 30th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and we'll see you guys there. See you on Saturday. Thank you so much.
And you'll really be glad you hit that button. Have a great night.
All right, thank you guys.